Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. It's Juju, and we have January junk journal, prompt number 5, and it is memories. And I have some pictures covered up because I don't have their permission. That's me and hubby, so that's okay. And that's Grammy. She's with Jesus, so I'm pretty sure she don't care. That's hubby phone. Good Lord. Okay, and then so the other ones I covered up with some little music sheets. But anyway, I did just some art, continued from like we were doing the other day, and did some, because I had so much fun. I did some spraying and some splatting, and then I put the different pictures for the different memories on here for my memories, and it spans across the family life together. So that was my day 5. Now, this blue and stuff that you see that says cobalt blue, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, that is acrylic paint and alcohol and a little water. And that made that blue spray. And that has been there for a year, and it didn't clog, and it's good. The purple spray you see is a purple Sharpie. So I took the Sharpie, took the inside out, stuck it in here, put some alcohol and a little bit of water in it, and made the purple spray. The blue is the peacock blue. That's the re-inker. Tim Holtz re-inker, because I just love that color. And then the white, it does look creamy on the monitor too. So it is a kind of a creamy white. And what it is I mixed white acrylic paint, some gold glitter, some alcohol and a little water in here with just a little bit, like just a couple drops of glue, and mixed it up and put it on here. Now, I can tell you I did not use the extra fine glitter. If you're going to use glitter in your sprays, you have to use the extra fine glitter. Okay, just the fine glitter, glitter. It clogs up and doesn't work good. But it's good to take. You can take it out and do your little slingy things. That's fine. Works perfect like that, and that's what I use it for. But the spraying, it wants to clog and it wants to get on ooky. So, but it works great like that, or taking it out to paint with it. And you can see the little glitter and shimmer in it. And then the gold and stuff on here, and the little blue on there is that mica that we made up, that I sprayed on the edges for that. And that's how I did it. Thanks. Y'all have a good day. Bye. Happy weekend.
Listen to me, baby. He's got issues. Throw away your tissues. Don't be